Introducing the Wondercap, a revolutionary new shower drainage protection system with the added benefit of antibacterial protection. Wondercap technology incorporates our patented mechanical two-part flange, a unique insert base with patented weep holes, and a fitted cap, which not only protects the drain during installation, but allows for easy fitting of various interchangeable strainers. By using the Wondercap method, a smooth, stain-resistant surface is achieved, providing a free-flowing hygienic drain. Compare this to a typical installation, which usually contains construction debris like cement mortar that can accumulate hair and residues, causing mold and nasty odors. But not only does the Wondercap provide professional results, it's also easy to install. We'll demonstrate by stripping back this bathroom to the beginning of its construction. With the subfloor and shower frame in place, we install the Wondercap, consisting of a unique two-part flange, the base, and the cap. In this example, we're screwing it down to a timber floor. The waste pipe riser simply connects to the drain underneath. You can see how the Wondercap shower drainage protection system completely seals off the shower waste riser from construction rubbish and damage that may occur due to pedestrian traffic. Next, we form the pre-slope to ensure all the water is directed to the drain. Simply mark out the height of the pre-slope, allowing a fall of 1/4 inch per foot. Apply protective liner and metal lath, fill with dry pack mortar, and screed back to the edge of the outer Wondercap flange. Once dry, we can apply the waterproof liner. Firstly, we remove the inner flange component and set safely aside. Next, the liner is positioned over the shower floor outlet. Now, the outside corners are turned up and folded into pig ears, and then nailed to the studs. The liner must extend up and over the rough threshold and fasten to the outer face. Prefabricated reinforcing corners can be bonded in areas where folding is not possible. It is important the liner is turned up the walls at least 3 inches higher than the finished dam, and penetrations are no less than 1 inch above the finished dam. Locate the inner edge of the Wondercap flange that is screwed to the floor, and carefully cut away the inner circle of the liner. Be sure to discard any remnants in the nearest possible receptacle. Notice that we don't have to cut extra holes to allow for bolts to be used, as is the current practice. Silicone sealant is applied firstly to the underside of the shower bed liner around the drain outlet, and then to the top side of the liner. Now, solvent cement is applied to the female surface of the lower flange and male surface of the inner flange. The two connections are pressed down firmly with a slight twisting motion. A firm pressure is maintained for a few seconds until the solvent cement has taken hold. Our shower liner is now secured and sealed without the need for additional clamps and bolts. The solvent cement and silicone sealant bonds and seals the liner and flanges, preventing water from getting under the liner in the event of a future blockage. It's always a good idea to test the liner for any leaks. A 2-inch test plug is simply inserted into the shower drain outlet and filled with water to the level of the rough threshold. Make sure the test plug is positioned below the flange to also test the seal of the two-part flange. The shower bed is left under test until we're certain that the installation of the shower bed liner and the connections are watertight. Inspect thoroughly for any signs of water penetration. If a leak is detected, then patch or repair as required. When complete, we immediately replace the Wondercap insert base and cap to ensure total drainage protection. Now we are ready for the bedding. Firstly, we raise the Wondercap insert base and cap to the required height and apply our prepared bedding mix around the outside of the insert base. The Wondercap protective cap is not removed. The shower bed is roughly screeded with a 1-inch layer of prepared bedding mix, and a suitable galvanized steel mesh or metal lath is laid over the threshold. The remaining bedding mix is then applied while maintaining the correct grade as per standard building requirements. Make sure to allow for your tile thickness when finishing the bedding. It should end flush with the top of the Wondercap. Note, gravel wasn't needed as the new Wondercap shower drainage system, with its patented 2-tiered weep holes, already allows for any water seepage to escape from the porous tile bed and into the drain. Once the bedding has set, we form the curb. This is done by packing a suitable dry mortar mix into the mesh and troweling it to the desired thickness. The curb should be no less than 2 inches, but no more than 9 inches in height. Now the tile backer boards can be fixed to the studs and we're ready for tiling. When laying the floor tiles, the fall is maintained towards the drain, and the tiles are cut around the strainer position. For round strainers, use the Wondercap top as a template, or, with the new square frame strainers, cut the desired size accordingly. Once dry, we commence the tiling of the walls. In this example, we are also fitting stone to the curb and shower sill. Once the glue has set, we grout the floor and walls as required. Finally, we simply remove the protective cap and install the outer frame of the desired strainer with tile glue and grout. The strainer center is available in a variety of designs and patterns and can be easily removed for access or replacement as required. To complete the job, we install the shower head and valves, the shower screen, and other remaining bathroom hardware. And now we have a finished bathroom. So, if you want a drain that not only looks good, but is hygienic, free-flowing, and easy to install, simply choose the Wondercap. You'll wonder how you ever did without it. Always make sure installation complies with your local building standards authority and uniform plumbing code.